Hey, what's happening, folks? Back at you with the Buick Lesabre 1977 cream puff. Oh, damn it, something different. Oh, damn, look at them meats. Look at them meats, man. She's no longer sitting on crappy ass American racing Krager style wheels that have been spray painted and are flaking. And these are a set of 15x7 Buick Rallies that I picked up from a guy for $100. No center caps though. Just look at them fucking meats. Oh yeah, buddy, she's ready to party now. She's ready to party. Just figured I'd make this a little short for you guys so you can see how much better it looks. That's it for now.